Single mother like myself, yeah, who fight for give your baby love and shelter. Have a child for your man, you go through hellfire. Left with your mother as
or less. All right, Pamputtae there performing her hit Single Mother at the 2019 staging of the Powerful Women and Men Perform for Charity concert. Her journey to self-love was not an easy one, but she found the courage and the strength to heal. And she's here this morning to speak about the importance of self-love as an artist. Eviana Henry? Did we get it right, Pamputtae?
Ivina Henry.
I knew that. I was just checking to make sure you knew.
Good morning.
Ivina.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
It's so good to see you. How are you feeling, lady? How are you doing?
Honestly, I'm feeling good. Get up early, get a shower,
Bathing is nice.
Today, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling blessed.
You exercise from morning?
Yes, some of the time. Sometimes you have things to do, so sometimes when I do it in the morning, I do it in the evening. But I'm not telling life, I'm not really going to gym, but...
And Stacia is fine with that?
Not really.
Okay,
Stacia's never fine with that. One time, I usually could have eat 2 patty. Now I can't eat 2. Sometimes I'll half and leave after the next time.
Where did the name Pamputtae come from? There's a meaning to that?
All right, the Pamputtae name now, I do the inch of a Mataram. When me say, hey, in this village, some girls are stupid, hey, Pamputtae. So to me say Pamputtae, them say, she do the inch of a Mataram, she name Pamputtae, she say Pamputtae. So, back then you have lady this, lady that, whatever, some different names. So I say Pamputtae sound unusual, so I just work with it. Me never like say nobody no call me so or not like that. I say yeah, me I work with it. It's unique. So
Nova Jamaican. We're looking at an article in the Gleaner.
Like people give me the name, so me just work with it.
All right, miss. We're looking at this article in the Gleaner that talks about your journey for self-love or to self-love, your challenges as a single mother. Do you ever wonder if you should really talk about these things and how your fans will accept it? Do you ever feel scared when you open up yourself like this?
No, never scared. No one knows the future. Remember them tell me say, you're not gonna reach far in the music, you're not gonna dance all now, accept fact, worse y'all black, and like you're brown, and then you go fat on top of that, like them talk whole heap of things, and I overcome that because at the end of the day, no one knows the future because everyone didn't know say, well, this happen or that happen. Certain things them wouldn't do and stuff like that. So me just know say, look here, you have to love yourself. It starts within you.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have the big motivation of yourself. You have self-love. You have to have that. If you don't have that, you have a problem.
So
because
true.
somebody can, no, it not gonna work. And when you try it, come remember, pussy and dog not have the same luck.
Hmm?
Everybody look different. Me will go over there, so I'm gonna make it. You will go over there and you make it. So things like them, they know, make me know, say, yo, me's a strong woman. Remember, me go without a mother and a father by my side. My mother have 2 with me and my sister. My sister died, leave me, with my grandmother, my auntie. Then my grandmother passed off, leave me with, my auntie and stuff like that. And me struggle and do my thing and get pregnant early out of school. Do some more heap of things. Sometimes some people look down for me and say, watch her, she not come out, nothing good, She little and rude, you see. Nobody never take the time out to see how me feel when me I go through. So them little things that kind of make me get strong. Me I talk now and I water full my eye.
Yeah, I mean, my goodness gracious.
It's like sometimes when you see people doing things, me not really like bash them and stuff like that. Because I remember times when we just go to the women's center.
Mm-hmm.
You have some people push them head through the window of the bus and say, no matter say no go to school, I want to go this, I want to go that. Not for the ladies, not for them a lawyer, not for them a doctor. So sometimes to the young ladies, them really make some mistake by, getting pregnant early, and sometimes I don't really mistake. I just life, yeah, man.
And they don't have guidance. They don't have guidance. But the important story is that it can happen to you and you can still make something of yourself.
Yes, that's why I choose to do my single mother foundation and stuff like that. But through the whole COVID thing, it kind of pull me back, but me just help who me can help. If persons donate stuff to me, me call some people me know really in need of, because I always like talk to God and say, God, I don't want nobody will just sit the foundation and just say, oh, I'm going to try to get something from Pamputtae. I want people who really and truly need stuff.
Having said all of that, there wasn't any time that you just decided to say, I can't, but you've never ever thought of giving up?
And right, let me give you that drama there. I remember one Sunday, I left and go to my friend's house because I said, all right, me and my Sunday, I go just have dinner there, me and her and thing. And when me I walk through the house, I hear a voice say, why you not kill yourself? You know, see, I alone struggle with the two pitney them. And I run with a voice there. Because I say, I'm a powerful woman. I got through too much. So me now going to make the devil come control me and tell me to kill myself.
Where are you now in your journey?
Honestly, I'm not where I want to be, but me give God thanks. Me still doing work same way, still I do my things same way. Like, me at a spot where me just give God thanks.
Where you want to be? Where you want to be?
And sometimes, honestly, I'm not going to tell you say I want to be this or I want to be this. Because at the end of the day, sometimes you pick some things and God have better in store for you. So me just I take life as it come, work towards certain things and just do what I have to do and just believe in myself, have confidence. Don't stop work because God no like when you're lazy.
What's next? What's next? What's next from Pamputtae?
Honestly, I'm trying to work in an album next year. Yeah. And have a lot of videos come out and stuff like that. Yeah, and whole it more recording.
And a whole heap more exercising because you're on a weight loss journey too.
Yes, because honestly, the weight thing now, you know, some people bash me, what Sharon about you stay fluffy and go and get slim, then cost me, say. But we just want them to know, say, it's not a thing where me never confident and love myself because me first love myself so people could have loved me. It's all about, you know, health-wise, you know.
Yeah.
And stuff like that, so I have to really like do my thing.
You're an inspiration. You're an inspiration to me. I'm happy that we did this interview this morning. I pray that you get to where you want to be. Yeah, I pray that you get to where you want to be. All right, stay safe. Look after yourself in this difficult time, and one day when we can have a little guest in here, you come sing to something.
Yes, man, right on the seat there.
Yes, Ivina is a boss, ladies and gentlemen.
Have a blessed day.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
man.
too,
God
my
bless you.
love. Thank you so much, recording artist and big personality, Ivina Henry, otherwise known as Pamputtae, had diabetes apparently after her second daughter, so she had to take care of herself.
The weight loss.
Had to take care of herself. Thank you for checking in with us this morning.
It is incredible that you're sick, but you really don't know.
No.
You know?
Let me tell you.
All right, we're gonna go for a break. Much more and smart. Stay with us, please.
Fun.